Assignment. How do I submit an assignment? Select a course where you want to submit an assignment. From the navigation bar, click Course Tools and then select Assignment. On the Assignments page, click on the assignment you want to submit to. Follow the assignment instructions and do one of the following. Type your assignment directly in the text submission field. When you finish your written response, click Submit. To browse for the file you want to submit, click Add a File. You can attach files from your local computer or storage device. Click Submit.